Hello everyone, today I want to talk about something quite disturbing. We all know that technology has advanced rapidly in the past few years, and artificial intelligence is one of the most significant breakthroughs we've ever seen. However, there are some things that we may not be prepared for. Recently, an algorithm has been created that creates horror art without any humans inside. This algorithm generates images that are gruesome, terrifying, and downright disturbing. And what's more, it does it all on its own. The implications of this algorithm are vast and thought-provoking. For one, it raises questions about what defines art. If a machine can create something that evokes an emotional response, can we still call it art? And if so, what does that say about us as humans and our creative abilities? Furthermore, this algorithm highlights the potential dangers of artificial intelligence. If machines can create something as visceral and emotional as horror art, what else can they do? What are the limits of their creativity, and what are the ethical considerations that we need to take into account? It's essential to note that this algorithm is not creating art for the sake of creating art. It's generating horror art. And that raises questions about the ethics of creating something that is intentionally disturbing. Is it okay to use AI to create content that may traumatize or harm individuals? These are important considerations that we need to address as we continue to develop AI technology. In conclusion, this algorithm creation raises some important questions about the future of technology and its role in art and creativity. We need to approach these developments with a critical eye and ensure that we are not sacrificing our humanity in the pursuit of technological advancement. Thank you for listening, and make sure you watch the next videos for interesting things about AI.